negotiation. No negotiation. Go and clear yourself. Clear the court. Man, what do you steal? You steal the public money. You steal assembly's money. Money is money. Go and clear yourself in court. You want to clear yourself in court.
Assembly must be headed by somebody.
Assembly is not your head.
We are not going to change our stand. We are the people who elected you, and we have said no. I don't want to talk to somebody.
I don't want to talk to somebody. Go and clear yourself, and that is the stand.
Hey!
Go and clear yourself.
Go and clear your name.
Go and clear your name.
You are not going to this assembly. We are the employees, and we have said no. We are the employees, and we have said no.
Go and clear your name.
Yeah.
That is what you are only requesting. Not so much.
You are not going to lead any proceedings in this assembly.
We are overcome that. We elected you, we have rejected you. We are not like person money.
Sort his issues with the party headquarters is when he will come back as the party, as the Speaker of the County Assembly. ODM has got internal dispute resolution mechanism. If he cannot solve his problems through those avenues, then as members of the County Assembly, whom the other day elected Elisha Jakuraro as the acting speaker, will not allow him to come in as the Speaker of the County Assembly. Period.
The only interesting thing.
There's nothing you are talking here, Mr. Speaker. That thing has I've equally talked.
The party has spoken.
The party has spoken. We want peace in Kisumu. I am the area MCA. We want peace. We cannot work because of Onyango law. Kisumu cannot move because of Onyango law. Just one person. Go to the party headquarters and solve your problem. The party has got internal dispute resolution mechanism. You cannot exalt them as a lawyer. What's your problem?
That you go and clear with them. That's a clear instruction. Doesn't need any rocket.
Yeah, we want peace in Kisumu. We don't want anything. We have the...
But majority have said, step aside, go and clear your name. If you are cleared, then we'll open the gate for you. But for now, the integrity of Kisumu County Assembly must be upheld. And I remember, before you were arrested, you said that if, at all, they charge you, and I remember you were in some building somewhere there, you will fight and clear your name, and you said you were ready. So why are you not ready to step aside? What are you hiding? What have you kept those officers? Yes, you just address him, there's no problem. Yes, there's no problem.
No, there's nothing to be addressed here. The party has spoken. We don't want to make...